Howdy homeowners, welcome back to another enlightening episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Henry Rodriguez, and today we're diving into a topic that can transform your daily life: the benefits of whole house water softeners. We've all experienced the frustrating effects of hard water, from lime scale buildup on faucets to dingy looking dishes and even dry skin and hair. But fear not, because whole house water softeners are here to revolutionize your water quality and your home's well-being. Whole house water softeners work their magic to remove the minerals that cause hardness, giving you the luxury of soft, silky water. Let's start by exploring the amazing benefits of having a whole house water softener. From spotless dishes to cleaner clothes and sparkling glassware, soft water elevates your everyday routines. Soft water helps appliances run more efficiently, extending their lifespan and saving you money in the long run. Curious about the difference between hard and soft water? Let's take a look. This comparison chart showcases the transformation effects of soft water on your daily life and home. But it's not just about personal benefits. Your wallet will also thank you. With soft water, you'll use less detergent and soap, which means less money spent on cleaning supplies. Well, there you have it, folks. The benefits of whole house water softeners. With the whole house water softener, you're not just enhancing your water quality, you're elevating your quality of life. Thanks for joining us on Goettl Homeowner Tips. Until next time, may your water always be soft. You're in your days worry-free.